everyone and welcome back to my baking video. In this short video, I'll be showing you guys how to make crème diplomate. So, diplomate cream. Although it sounds very intimidating, I know, but it's a very easy recipe. I promise you guys that it is very achievable even when you are back in your home. So crème diplomate is a combination between pastry cream and a whipping cream. So combine these both together and we will have a crème diplomate. Crème diplomate can be used in many ways. You can put in your choux pastry, you can put in your tarte tatin, you can put in your cake, whichever you like for it to be incorporated with it. So without further ado, let's start the making of our crème diplomate. So to start off, we are going to need these ingredients first. First of all, we are just going to rehydrate our gelatin. It's up to you, whatever you have in your kitchen. You can use either the powdered gelatin or the sheet gelatin. In my case, I'm using the powdered gelatin. So if you're using the sheet gelatin, use 2 sheets of gelatin. Once we added water in the gelatin, we're just going to leave it aside, let it to absorb the water, the moisture for it to expand first. And then we're just going to add our egg yolks into a mixing bowl together with the sugar and beat it until it turns slightly in pale yellow. Once we achieve this color and texture, we are going to add in our cornstarch and continue mixing it. In the meantime, we're just going to warm our milk together with our vanilla beans. So add in the vanilla beans together with the pot itself. Let it to simmer until it's slightly boiling. Turn off the heat and we are going to add this into our egg yolk mixture. Stir it while adding the milk into our egg yolk mixture. And then we're going to transfer this back into the saucepan. Reheat it again in a medium fire. Continue whisking it. Once it turns slightly thicker, we're just going to remove our vanilla bean pot out of the pastry cream. And then add in our gelatin. Continue mixing it until it's all mixed up together. Reheat it up again for about 20 seconds. And turn off the heat. Transfer this pastry cream onto a flat plate. And then we are going to cover this using a cling film. Keep it in the fridge until it's completely cooled down. So now, while waiting our pastry cream to get cooled down, we're going to beat our whipping cream first until we achieve sort of like a shaving cream texture. And after that, we are just going to keep it back inside the fridge first. And after our pastry cream has cooled down, we're going to take it out of the fridge. transfer it into a mixing bowl. Beat it until it's slightly loosened up. And then using a spatula, we are going to mix the whipping cream into our pastry cream. So we are going to add the whipping cream in 2 batches into our pastry cream using the folding method, mixing it until all of the whipping creams are well incorporated into our pastry cream. Then we're going to transfer it into a piping bag. And we are ready. This is our Crème Diplomate. So as you can see, the Crème Diplomate is very easy to make. So when you are making this and show this and give your friends and family a taste of this, they won't believe that you actually made this. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have made this recipe. I would love to know how it turned out for you. Or if you have any question, I'll definitely will answer that. Check out my 2024 baking challenge videos. There are more baking videos there that you guys can binge watch. And of course, I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye!